Alright guys, so the rain is picking up. It's raining quite a lot right now. I didn't even bring my jacket. Hopefully I don't get soaked, but yeah, I'm outside right now. I should probably start heading home because I'm gonna get soaked. The rain is picking up. It's like 10:40 p.m. right now. Yeah. So you guys could see the rain is pretty strong. Damn, it got really strong. But yeah, I wonder if we're gonna see lightning, because very recently I saw like lightning and stuff. So who knows, we might see it. Damn, look at this rain, guys. Holy crap. It's really picking up. But yeah, I wonder if we're gonna see lightning. Come on. Come on, lightning. Strike. Yeah, I don't know. My phone is kind of getting wet. Yeah.